Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and today in this video we are going to learn how you can connect your RMoney ODIN account with Tradetron. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in into your Tradetron account. For that you have to visit Tradetron's website, which is tradetron.tech, and here you'll see an option of sign in. Click on it and enter your email address and password and then sign in. So once you logged in, click on this profile icon and select brokers and exchanges, and now click on add broker. Scroll down a little bit. Here in the search box type RMoney, and since you are ODIN user, so you have to select RMoney. Now enter your client ID and password. In 2FA, enter your mobile number and click on save. Now you have to click on this edit option and click on generate OTP. Once you enter the OTP, click on save. And your RMoney Demat account will be successfully added with Tradetron. In case if you have any doubt, do comment down below. Until then, happy trading. Bye bye.